Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have the Romantic Valentine series pocket letter, and I have used the Romantic Valentine digital download from my Etsy shop, and I used it on the 5x7 setting, so I was able to get 2 full sets of the 4 postcards, and they came out to be this size right here. And I've used 3 of the postcards here. So this one, Loretta, and this one down here. So to start with, I made one of a tassel, and I made it using a washer. Okay, I found this gigantic thing of washers. And so I was like, okay, well, I need to start using them. So it's kind of gold. The washer is, and I've used the gold here, and then I attached the silver charm, and because I had the silver clasp, I didn't have any other color clasps, so I just used some lace and some ribbon and put together a little tassel for this pocket letter. So when you look at it, you can see that I used a heart doily here, and after I had put everything down, I came, or not everything, but this is material. So let's do card by card. Sorry about that. So this card here, I had a couple squares of material that were sitting on my desk. So I took one of them and I cut it with the pinking shears, and then I added this little love. It was a cupcake topper, has a toothpick. And I cut the toothpick off. The next is some I Love You paper. And I had gotten that in a hot buy of 8.5 by 11 paper a couple years ago. Another piece of that material. So when I cut this is what was left at the top. And I put it here, and then I added a glitter heart that I had in my stash, and the ... And the papers that I used, 2 of them have the I Love You in pink. So I thought that was kind of neat. And then I just let this Valentine, I attached it to some red paper that's from Close to My Heart. It's from my stash. I've had it for many years. And I really like this one all by itself. So I just left it by itself. And then down here I have Loretta, and I attached her to the red paper. Then I cut one of the backs of the postcards and put it in here. This one is an I Love You with another piece of the material, and then the 2 heart glittery heart. Down here is an I Love You paper. Here is the red paper with one of the Valentines on it, and here is another paper that I got out of a 6x6 pad. I cut a heart out of the material and added the glitter, and we have the bling 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 down here. So over here, what I did was I put the 4 cards together, and then I attached this heart doily, and then I continued to decorate on top of the doily. So here I've added another one of the toothpick cupcake toppers. I've added this heart, and it actually was this here, and I just cut, I cut right here, and so it's just 1 heart. Happy Valentine's Day, and then sweethearts, a little envelope and a heart where the stamp would be, and this also was one of those toothpicks. Here is the 2 hearts and a piece of material. So that is the pocket letter, the front of it. Let you have one more look. Using the Romantic Valentine series. I love that I had that as an inspiration. So this is the back, and I've gifted the other card here, the rose card, and then 3 squares of material, a package of sequins, some of the gold wire, a Happy Valentine's Day ribbon, and some bling. I have the washi tape card, and I've added some baker's twine, and then this really cool twine here that is really rustic looking. Cup of tea, and it's vanilla chai. I like that it matched. Here's some heart eyelets and flower eyelets and paper clips inside the mason jar with some baker's twine to tie it. Down here are some red tags, some red flowers, 3 of those toothpicks with the toothpicks still on them, 1 of the little heart gems, 3 sticker sheets. They're 3 different, and they are, I don't know how old they are. I've had them for a long time though. And then a couple of the glitter hearts. So I have some other goodies that are going along with this, but I wanted to just get a chance to videotape this because I need to put it in the mail. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. The Romantic Valentine collection, here it is in miniature, is available in my Etsy shop. They're full-size postcards. They're antique postcards done exactly the way they are. If there's a blemish, it's left on there. They are over 100 years old, from 1907 to 1917, and they're awesome postcards. You also receive, I cut this one up, but you receive a download of the back as well, or a printable of the backs as well. So, yeah, and that's on my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. So what's your favorite card? Or your favorite thing that I did here? I like the whole thing. I'm happy with it. But I kind of like how this turned out. And how it just all came together. And using a washer for the tassel, that was kind of fun. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye!